The GDC iPad app has a full suite of strategic weather tools for pilots. In this case, we'll review a flight plan from Phoenix to Orlando. And today we'll take a look at what the weather would look like. So first, let's take a look at the radar for North America. See what radar we may be running into. Fairly quiet day for this route. A little bit of convective activity as we enter the south and the Gulf. If we wanted to have a full picture, we can go ahead and animate what the radar view for the United States looks like today. This will allow us to see the intensity of the weather as well as the directionality and how it might impact our flight route. You can see the string of weather in the south is generally staying the same or dissipating, moving slowly from west to east, and shouldn't impact our flight. We can also take a look at how turbulence may affect our route of flight. And so you can see at our flight level today, the turbulence is very minimal, just a bit over the Carolinas, noted in pink there. You can also view some new features. Recently we've added air mets. So graphical air mets can be viewed. And in this case, we'll take a look and see what's going on our route of flight. We've got 2 air mets for icing as we approach the Orlando area. Pilot can select those air mets for further information and read the full air met text. You can also take a look at any temporary flight restrictions or restricted use airspace that we might find along our route. You can see in the vicinity of Orlando a TFR for Disney World and the associated text. Also a number of other TFRs to the south. Restricted areas which are activated today for military use. Lastly, we can take a look at the PIREPs in the vicinity of Orlando. You can see a pirate for some light rime ice from a Beechcraft at 19,000 feet. As well as some further information from a Cessna 172 in terms of the weather. Lastly, we'll go ahead and take a look at what the satellite view looks like today over the United States. And here you can see that multiple overlay layers can be combined together to identify where the storm fronts or the clouds will be on the eastern United States and the associated PIREPs.